Here at Oreck of the Carolinas, we know that caring for your home is a top priority. That is exactly why we've made it our top priority. Our clean home centers have been serving the Carolinas for over 20 years. Whether you're looking to get a quality vacuum or to get reliable service on your existing vacuum, we want you to experience the difference that comes with allowing Oreck to be your clean home solution. Every product offered at your local Oreck store is designed and crafted with you in mind. If your current vacuum can't keep up with your cleaning needs, come visit one of our Oreck Clean Home Centers and let us help you find the perfect cleaning solution. At Oreck, we are more than just vacuums. Not only do we offer quality brands such as Oreck, Miele, and Royal, but we have innovative products for every surface in your home. From vacuum cleaners to air purifiers, steam cleaners to cleaning products, our products are designed to meet every need and every budget. To make sure you have the best experience possible, we invite you to try our products in store or even take them with you for a 30-day in-home trial. My personal guarantee to you is that you will love every product from our store or we will buy it back. Your local Oreck store also has an incredible service department with knowledgeable and experienced technicians who service any brand of vacuum. But we don't stop there. We will even take your old or broken vacuum in as a trade towards the purchase of a new vacuum. At Oreck of the Carolinas, we don't just provide quality products, we set the standard for a clean and healthy home. Your home is as important to me as my home. That is why I invite you to experience the Oreck difference today.